Hi friends, David here from Above AVL, and today we're looking at a mic kit from SE Electronics. Pretty nice. This is their V-Beat Arena kit. What you get in this kit, this is pretty sweet, honestly, because you get, first of all, this hard Pelican style case, so it's a nice case. It's not just like a cheap case. It's not like just a foam outside case. It's a nice hard case. Opening it up, again, I mean, technically not quite as nice as a real Pelican brand, but pretty close. Inside, it's all custom foamed out, ready to go. And what you're going to see is a variety of fantastic mics. We can run them through them really quick. A really nice drum mic set for anybody looking to do that kind of thing. So you got the V-Kick, which is their kick drum. It's a little different than other kick drums out there. We're going to talk about that. 3 of the V-Beat tom mics. A matched pair of the SE8 are good for overheads. They're a small diaphragm condenser. And then a single V7X mic, which is a slammin' little snare mic. What are these mics? Why do we care? What do we think? Well, unless you've been living under a rock, which, some people do, the SE drum mics in particular have really taken off in popularity in the last few years. And it's because of, like a lot of the SE mics, though not all of them, they provide a really good amount of value for the amount of money you pay, meaning that they're not the cheapest thing in the market, they're not the most expensive in the market, but for what you get sound-wise and quality-wise, they typically punch, a pretty good solid level above where you would expect them to for the price if you used other mics in that price range. This is no exception. What you get here, if you add up the cost of just the microphones, okay, the retail cost or the display price that you see, the minimum advertised price that you see online on stores, including ours, is about 15% off, but you also get them in a great case. Let's walk through the mics real quick, and then we're going to punt over to Seth, who spent some time comparing them to an Earthworks mic set that he's used to using at his church. Some of these mics he liked better than the Earthworks mics, which are significantly more expensive. Okay. So first we've got ourselves the SE V7X on snare. Really fantastic if you haven't used it. It's kind of like the SM57, but for SE. So it's a lot like their V7, but it is essentially, just a really great snare mic, really great on guitar cabs, things like that. Good overall utility. Next, we've got the V-Kick. So the V-Kick is a really unique mic, similar to the Shure models. It goes straight on the mic stand, so take care of those threads, don't beat them up. But what's different about the V-Kick is going to be on the backside. On the backside, what you're going to see, you can probably see it a little bit there, is you have 2 switches. So you have a classic and modern of 2 basically different frequency profiles, one that kind of chops the mid and one that kind of gives a little accentuation at the high. So you have the ability to actually, and this is, seems odd and is a little bit different, you actually can adjust this mic tonally a little bit more inside the mic before it even hits the console. Pretty wild how they do that. I've seen other mics do that before, but definitely cool that you essentially dial it in, for example, modern for most rocks type music or similar things, and send it into the console, and it's kind of already got that EQ curve pre-applied like some other popular mics. But if you're using it for like jazz or something like that, you want to pop it over to classic or orchestral, then you still can get that and not be fighting a mic that out of the box is kind of EQ'd in a modern way, because obviously there are some very popular kick mics, including probably my former favorite, the Audix D6, which is still an awesome mic, but it definitely has a curve to it that appeals to a modern sound, right? And so you're fighting that if you're not doing a modern sound on your band. Next, we've got the V-Beats, 3 of these guys, and they also come with, as any good tom mic should, with a rim mount. It's plastic, but it feels pretty good. Okay, it's got a little bit of flexibility to it, which you want for being able to get on that rim and adjust. I also appreciate that the rim mount comes off pretty easily. You just loosen it, and then it's able to pop off that mount so that, hey, you can leave it on the drum, maybe if the drum fits in the drum case, or if you leave the drums out on stage, but you're able to pull the mic off separately. Not every drum mic mount does that, and it's real annoying. These ones are much simpler, just in the sense that, boom, it again attached direct to the mic stand, or in this case the mount, has a microphone output right on it, and then you're good to go. No switches on the V-Beats though. It's just, you know, a straight up, it's somewhat similar to the V7X, just a little bit more tailored to drums specifically. Last but not least, in the box, we're not going to worry about that, we have the SE8 match pair with clips, and this is just a small diaphragm condenser, high pass filter choices on the side, as well as sensitivity. So you're off to the races there. But besides being great mics that look nice in a cool case, which, you know, is not helpful at all, let's talk about how they sound. So let's hop over to Seth here, who spent some time with them doing some worship rehearsals, doing some services with them, and he has a few thoughts on the VPAC Arena, some of the different mics, what he thought, how they compared to the Earthworks, and the value that they give to somebody who's looking to add some drum mics or upgrade from something that just isn't meeting your needs quite as well.
Thanks, David. So yeah, as he just said, we tested out the VPAC Arena kit on our drum kit, and one of the things that was surprising was how well it held up against the Earthworks drum kit that we had on there. Being that there is quite a price difference between them, I certainly wasn't really expecting very much from these microphones. I expected that they would be good, having heard other SE microphones across the range. But one of the surprising things was that the snare mic specifically, we put it on there and there was instantly significant clarity and great transient response. So much so that I actually liked the response of that better than the Earthworks snare mic, which is a little surprising because I really like the sound of the Earthworks kit. However, we put that on there and we ran with it for some rehearsals and some Sunday morning services. And it was just a really great microphone, quite a standout. Over the years, I've used everything, you know, from Shure, SM57, Beta 57s, Sennheiser 421s, several different types of microphones across snare drums over the years. And I have to say that for the cost, this kit just absolutely blew us away. It sounded fantastic. I think for our purposes on toms and kick, I would still stick with the Earthworks kit. However, at a significant cost savings for this one, if we didn't already have the other kit, I would definitely go with the SE drum mic kit, simply because value for the sound, this kit really delivers. So yeah, if you're looking for a snare mic or even a drum kit that punches well above its class, the SE VPAC Arena kit is what you're looking for your drums, and you definitely won't regret it.
As you can see, the VPAC Arena drum mic kit is a really solid kit. Not only do you get this great case, and it really is a great bundle where you save a couple bucks by getting the whole bundle together, they sound good too. And the SE Electronics mics have definitely held their place in the modern market with just really being able to be a fantastic value that is durable, that does a great job, and still hits a really, really good price point. So if you're interested in these after checking this out, definitely reach out to us at gear@aboveavl.com or add some to your cart, request a quote. We'd love to get this pack of drum mics into your hands, let you play with them, have some fun, see what you think, and let you dive deeper with that. If you need anything else, microphones, lighting, audio, video, we're your place. If you're not familiar with aboveavl.com, we just love to help people find the best thing every day. Our salespeople aren't commissioned directly based on your purchase, so that means they're not being pressured and they're not being like, okay, you know, I need this much more money for groceries, let me go sell some stuff to some people. No, we find the right thing for you, we get it into your hands. It's real simple, it's not complicated, but it's a little bit different than how a lot of other companies work. We think it's the best thing for you, and we want to earn your business for the decades to come. If that sounds good, we'll see you guys there. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video.